Hello and welcome back to Gradrooms YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about top 5 highest paying jobs for STEM courses in the USA. If you are someone who is looking for study in USA, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of your doubts. The very first job designation is Computer and Information System Manager. A computer and information system manager is a professional who plans, directs, and coordinates the computer-related activities in an organization. They help to determine the information technology goals of an organization and are supposed to be responsible for implementing the computer systems to meet those goals. If we talk about the average salary, if you are a skilled and experienced computer and information system manager, you can expect to earn a good salary and have a rewarding career. The median annual salary for computer and information system manager was 1,62,930 in May 2020. The top 10% of earners made more than 2,08,000 US dollars. Some of the companies that are offering computer and information system manager jobs are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, IBM, Accenture, and JP Morgan Chase. The second is Architectural and Engineering Manager. An architectural and engineering manager is a professional who plans, directs, and coordinates the architectural and engineering projects of an organization. They work with the architecture, engineer, and other professionals to look into the matter the project completes on time, within the budget, and to the highest standards. Talking about the average salary of an architectural and engineering manager. If you are skilled and experienced architectural and engineer manager, you are expected to earn a good salary and have a rewarding career. The median annual salary for architectural and engineering managers are 1,49,660 in May 2020. The top 10% of earners made more than $1,95,000 per year. Some of the companies that are offering architectural and engineering manager designations in the USA are Boeing, General Electric, Siemens, Jacobs Engineering, AECOM. The third job designation is Natural Sciences Manager. A natural sciences manager is a professional who plans, directs, and coordinates within the research and development activities in natural sciences. They work with the scientists, technicians, and other professionals to ensure that the research is conducted efficiently and effectively. Talking about the average salary of a natural sciences manager. If you are a skilled and experienced natural sciences manager, you can expect to earn a good salary and have a rewarding career. The median annual salary for natural sciences managers are $1,44,830 in May 2020. The top 10% of earners made more than $1,90,000 per year. Some of the companies that are offering natural sciences manager designation in the USA are Novartis, Amgen, Pfizer, Merck & Co., Johnson & Johnson, and Abbott Laboratories. The fourth designation is software engineer. A software engineer is a professional who designs, develops, and tests on software applications. They use their creativity and technical skills in the principle of software engineering to solve the new and ongoing problems of an organization. If we talk about the average salary of a software engineer, if you are a skilled and experienced software engineer, you can expect to earn a good salary and have a rewarding career. The median salary of a software engineer was $1,15,349 in May 2020. The top 10% of earners made more than $1,60,000 per year. Some of the top companies who offer software engineering designations in the USA are Google, Meta, Facebook, Amazon, Salesforce, Adobe, and Tesla. The fifth job designation is network architect. A network architect is a computer professional who designs, builds, and maintains computer networks. They work with the businesses and the organization to design network as per their specific needs. If we talk about the average salary of a network architect is, if you are a skilled and experienced network architect, you can expect to earn a good salary and have a rewarding career. The median annual salary for network architects was $1,36,251 in May 2020. The top 10% of earners made more than $1,75,000 per year. Some of the top companies that are offering network architect designation in the USA are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Cisco Systems, Juniper Networks, and Dell Technologies. These are many of the few career opportunities in the USA for the highest paying jobs. You can check out in detail by doing your own research and looking into your own profile. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Gatrums.